Hello students, welcome back to our channel Maths by SRAVAN VATAMBEDU. Hope you all doing well, and if you are watching our channel first time, do subscribe to our channel. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about rank correlation coefficient. So this is finding coefficient of correlation using ranks. So which is again invented by a British mathematician, SRAVAN rank correlation coefficients. We call it one as SRAVAN's rank correlation coefficient. So invented a method of finding correlation coefficient using ranks, which is based on qualitative techniques. We can decide the differences in qualities, not quantities, like rank correlation coefficient only discuss about qualitative, like qualitative quantities like beauty or the intelligence. These we are going to test using rank correlation coefficient. But in the case of coefficient of correlation small r, there we can find the relation between quantitative techniques, quantitative characters. Coming to here, SRAVAN's rank correlation coefficient invented by British mathematician, which is denoted by rho. It has formula. This is rank correlation coefficient. Rho has formula 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1 or n cube minus n. N into n square n cube, where rho is rank correlation coefficient. D is differences between ranks. Two ranks you will have. If you assume rank of first values is x, rank of second values is y, x minus y will be d. Next, n, the number of paired values. How many pair of values given? That is n. If you can evaluate this, you can easily evaluate rank correlation coefficient. This rank correlation coefficient has some properties. Its value also, like r, this is also lies between minus 1 and 1. So important property. When rho equal to 1, rank and the related arguments are is in same direction. If rho equal to minus 1, we say that negative correlation, direction is in same direction. Here the direction is reverse. That we are going to represent using rho values. If rho is 0, there is no relation between the two ranks. Rho value lies between minus 1 and 1. Rho is called rank correlation coefficient. It will evaluate the coefficient of correlation using ranks. This is based on ranks. Okay, whenever ranks are given or whenever you need to find the rank correlation coefficient using ranks, we are going to use this formula 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. Okay, we will discuss few problems on this concept so that you can understand. So following are the ranks obtained by 10 students in two subjects, namely statistics and mathematics. To what extent the knowledge of the students in two subjects is related. So by basing on the ranks, we need to decide the qualitative quantity, that is knowledge, how the knowledge is related. For this we use rank correlation. Ranks are given. So statistics ranks we are taking as x. Ranks in statistics. ranks in statistics we are taking as X, ranks in mathematics we are taking as Y, ranks in mathematics Y. So difference between these two is X minus Y. Next we need D square, because rank correlation coefficient requires D square. The formula for rank correlation coefficient is 1 minus 6 sigma D square by N into N square minus 1. N is 10 here. Sigma D square needed. That's why we are finding ranks differences. D means difference in ranks. Difference in ranks. So note down stats ranks. So statistics ranks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stats ranks are given as it is. Coming to mathematics ranks, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 9, 7, 10, 6, 8. Now differences: 1 minus 2, minus 1, 2 minus 4, minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 5, minus 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 9, minus 3, 7 minus 7, 0, 8 minus 10, minus 2, 9 minus 6, plus 3, 10 minus 8, 2. Now square all these ranks. 1, 4, 4, 1, 1 square 1, 1, 2 square 4, 9, 0, 4, 9, 4. Add these all, you will get sigma D square, which is 40. So sigma D square is 40, sigma D square is 40, and N is 10. Now substitute in this formula. This is formula for finding rank correlation coefficient. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 into 40 by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Use your calculator to get that answer. You will get 0.76. This one will be 0.24. 1 minus 0.24 you will get 0.676 is the rank correlation coefficient between the two subjects. The knowledge, because that is positive, the knowledge is positively related to ranks. Ranks and knowledge are in same direction. So a random sample of 5 college students is selected and their grades in mathematics and statistics are found to be given. So mathematics, statistics marks are given. Now we need to find Spearman's rank correlation coefficient using that marks. Ranks are not given. Here the case is ranks we need to evaluate. We need to find the ranks. For that, first I am writing mathematics marks. Mathematics 85, 60, 73, 40, 90. And statistics marks, here itself I am going to write ranks in maths. Ranks in maths, that is X I am treating. Similarly, marks in statistics or grades in statistics. They are given 93, 75, 65, 50, 80. So ranks in stats. This we are treating as y values. Okay. Now D, x minus y, next D square. So this is the table we need to prepare to find rank correlation coefficient, because the rank correlation coefficient rho has formula 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n into n square minus 1. So this is formula. To find D, differences needed, rank differences. So first we need to calculate ranks. Highest marks we treat it as first rank. Highest marks student we will give rank 1. Next highest rank 2. 90 first rank, 85 second rank. Next 73 third rank, 60 fourth rank, 40 fifth rank. Coming to here, 93 first rank, 80 second rank, 75 third rank, 65 fourth, 50 fifth rank. Now find the differences. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. If you square, you will get 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now find out the sum. Sum, if you add these all, you will get sigma d square, which is 4. Sum of that values. And n is 5 here. N is 5. 5 students. So, here 1 minus 6 into 4 by 5 into 5 square minus 1. So use your calculator to get the row value. You will get row value 0.8. Okay, here the difference is in previous one. Generally, in the question, they may give ranks. Here, the ranks are not given, marks are given. So for these marks, we need to evaluate ranks. Next difference between ranks, next d square, next row. Equal or repeated ranks. Whenever ranks are repeated, or whenever we need to give the same rank for two numbers, two persons got same rank. In that case, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient technique breakdowns. We cannot apply that rank correlation coefficient. If you apply, you may get wrong. The ranks will be more than the numbers. In that case, we are going to use some other techniques to give the rank by taking average. What I am saying? For example, at 7th place, you need to give 7th rank. At 7th rank, two values are repeated. So for that two values, you need to give ranks. For example, for a number 80, you need to give 7th rank. Another 80 is there. Then, what we need to do? When the values are repeated, ranks are equal. That means these 280 has 7 only rank, but we cannot give 7 rank. There we are going to take average. Because 80 is repeated, two values are repeated. That means one value is repeated 2 times. 7th rank, one value is repeated 2 times like that. Then what we are going to do? We are going to take 7th rank. From 7th we are going to take 2 ranks, 7 and 8. This average we are going to give as rank 7.5, 7.5. Next rank will be, next number rank will be 9. For example, 75 is there. For 75, next rank you need to give. The next rank you are going to give 9 because already 8 is assumed. For example, in the same 7th rank place, one value is repeated. One value is repeated 3 times. 3 times repeated. When one value is repeated 3 times, then you need to take average of 3 ranks from 7. That is 7, 8, 9 by 3. This average you need to calculate. That average you will get 8. Then, for example, if you have one more 80, what I am saying, this is the situation. 8 is 3 you are adding. So one more 75. Here you need to give 7th rank, but tie is there. Then take average of 3 values. Now give rank 8 for these 3 values. Next rank will be 10 because up to 9 is assumed. The next rank will be 10. Like this one can evaluate ranks. After evaluating ranks, what is the formula we are going to apply for repeated ranks? Formula is 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m, 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by n cube minus m. N into m square minus 1. Same formula, 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into m square minus 1. That is, these will be added. Here, this 1 by 12 into m cube minus m is written in the formula depending on how many values repeated. If two values are repeated, 2 times we are going to write this 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. What I am saying, here m cube minus m, these values, 1 by 12 into m cube minus 1, 1 by 12 into m cube minus m are infinite, I said. For example, x and y values are there. In x and y values, in x, 2 values repeated. In y, 1 value repeated. Then, for example, take an example. In x, 2 values are repeated. If 2 values are repeated, in y, 1 value is repeated. Total how many values repeated? 3 values repeated. So 3 times you are going to write 1 by 12 into m cube minus m, 1 by 12 into m cube minus m, 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. And m value is here, for example, these 2 values are repeated 2 times. Here 3 times. Then what we will do, for 2 m's we are going to take m value 2 and the next m we are going to take m3. How many times values repeated is m? If one value is repeated 2 times, you can take that value as m value as 2. But here what I am saying, in x 2 values repeated 2 times, then m is 2 in one term and again m is 2 in another term. In next term, take m3. Because 3 values are repeated, you will write 1 by 12 into m cube minus m 3 times. Are you clear? Like that we can calculate the rank correlation coefficient. When equal ranks or repeated ranks you will get in the problem. We are going to do one problem so that you can understand. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. The ranks are not given, marks are given. We need to evaluate ranks first. After evaluating ranks, we need to find difference between ranks. So, first, given marks, we are writing x marks and y marks. And ranks of x. Similarly, y, ranks of y. Difference between x and y, d square. This we need to calculate. So x marks 68, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55, 64. Similarly for y, 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 16, 68, 48, 50, 70. Now ranks of x, that means these values we need to give the ranks. The first rank will be given for highest marks. So what is highest marks in these? 80 is the highest. So 80 will get rank 1. Next highest will get rank 2. What is next highest? 75. While checking the next highest, check whether one more 75 is there or not. So next highest is 75. Check one more 75 is there? No. Only 175. So one more 75 is also there. Check here. 75, 75. So if we have two 75s, while second rank in X series, in X, 75 is twice, 2 times at second rank. We have to give second rank for 75, but 75 is 2 times. Then take average of 2 ranks from second rank. That value you need to give for 75. What is average of 2 ranks from second rank? 2, after 2, 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5. This 2.5 will be given for both 75s. Next, rank will be 4. Already up to 3 we assumed. Next number we need to give rank 4 because already 3 assumed. We should not give rank 3 for the next number. What is next least? 75. Next least 68. Fourth rank. Next fifth rank we need to give. Fifth rank we need to give for 64. But 64 is 3 times we are having. So in X series only 64 is 3 times. 3 times where we have fourth rank over fifth rank we need to give. At fifth rank. Then what we need to do? From fifth rank we need to take 3 ranks average. Here 64 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Similarly 75 1 time, 2 times. So 64 at fifth rank, how many times it is repeated? 3 times. So take average of 3 ranks from 5. After 5, 6, 7. So you need to take average of 5, 6, 7 by 3. This average value will be given to 364s. Whatever the average value will get, that will be given. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 by 3, 6. This 6 will be given for 364s. How many ranks already assumed? 7 ranks already assumed. The next marks will get 8th rank. What is next least? For that we need to give 8. What is next least? See, 50, 40, 55 is next least. This will get rank 8. Next least will get rank 9. The last number will get 10. Even ranks are repeated. If you have 10 values, the last value should get 10th rank. Like that you need to take the averages. Are you clear how we given ranks for repeated marks? Here 75 is repeated 2 times at second rank. So I am taking 2 ranks from second. That average I am taking as 2.5. I had given that one for 275s. Next at 5th rank, 64 is repeated 3 times. So from 5th rank, 3 ranks average will be given for 64 for 364s. 6 we got. I am going to give 6 for 64, 64, 64. Next we need to give ranks for Y values. Highest marks will get first rank. First rank value will get 81. 81 has first rank. Next highest second rank. 81. Next highest 70, right? Next highest will get third rank in Y. So before giving ranks, you need to check whether the value is repeated or not. Second rank 70. Next rank 68. But 68 is repeated. 68 is repeated 2 times. So in Y, 68 is 2 times. 2 times we are having. At which rank? At third rank. So from 3, you need to take 2 ranks average. That is 3, next rank 4 average will be given for 268s. 3.5, 3.5. You should remember next rank will be 5, not 4. Already 4 assumed. Next rank 5. So next least value we need to give 5th rank. Next least 68, next list 62, 5. Next list 60, 60 will be given rank 6. Next list 7th rank, 58, right? 58, 7. Next list 8th rank. Next list 9th, 48. Last 10. So like this one can give the ranks. Are you clear how we are giving ranks when values are repeated? Now take the difference. 4 minus 5, ranks difference. 4 minus 5, minus 1. 6 minus 7, minus 1. 2.5 minus 3.5, minus 1. 9 minus 10, minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 6, minus 5. 2.5 minus 3.5, minus 2. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. Like this you need to give the ranks. Now find out d square values. 1, 1, 1, 1, 25, 5 square, 5 square 25, 2 square 4, 1, 0, 4 square 16. Next you need to add to get sigma d square value. Sum of all these d squares is 72. So like this one can easily evaluate the ranks for repeated values. Next we are going to write row formula. Before writing row formula, first you need to decide how many m terms we need to write. For that, in x how many values repeated you need to know. In x, 2 values repeated. 2 values. In y, how many values repeated? 1 value repeated. So total how many values repeated? 3 values repeated. 3 values repeated. So in this formula you need to write formula like this. 6 into sigma d square plus 1 by m cube minus m plus 1 by m cube minus m, 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. Sorry. 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m by n cube minus n. So these m cube minus m terms, total how many values repeated, that many you need to write. Total 3 values repeated. In x 2 values, in x 75 and 64 repeated, in y 68. Total 3 values repeated. So write 1 by 12 m cube minus m 3 times. Now what about m values? In x, 1 value is repeated 2 times. So in x, 1 is 2 times, so m2. Another value is 3 times. So for first m we are going to write 2. For next m we are going to write m3. Coming to in y, 1 value is repeated 2 times, m2. So like this one can decide m values. How many values repeated, that many 1 by 12 m cube minus m you need to write. How many times value repeated? How many times value repeated, that is m value. Now substitute 1 minus 6, sigma d square value 72. 72 into 72 plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m. 1 m is 2. 2 cube minus 2. 1 by 12 3 cube minus 3. 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2. N number of values, if you see 10. Number of pair of values, 10 pairs we are having. So 10, 10 cube minus 10. So this will gives you row value. Use your calculator to get row. Row is 0.545. Very clear? Here you need to remember how many m cube minus m by 12 you need to take? That are you clear? How many values repeated? That many m cube minus m by 12 you need to write. Total 3 values repeated, so m cube minus m by 12 are 3. For example, 4 values repeated, 4 m cube minus m by 12 you need to write. What about m value? How many times that value repeated? That will taken as m value. For example, one value is repeated 2 times, m2. If one value is repeated 3 times, m3. So like that, one value how many times repeated, that value we are going to take m. Any doubts you may ask.